Hey everybody, Cuban Shark here. Wanted to share with you another tip to help improve your Golf Clash game. This one is one in particular that I use, which has helped me better my shot, the accuracy of my shot. I would say since I started using it, 60 to 70% improvement in where where I'm getting the ball. So I had posted a previous video on the ring system. This is the next step. This is what I think once you learn that, what you should do. Now, Material Cue is it's a free app. You can download it in your app store if you have an Android. I understand that I think Apple phones don't have Material Cue. I think there's something else out there. I apologize. I'm going to look for something for you non-Android users, but definitely for Android. It's the app to use. Now, this app, and I'm going to go into my main screen here. You see it on the top left-hand side. It's very simple. All this is basically, you see the bottom, the little purple box on the bottom right-hand side. I named it Golf Clash. Basically, when I tap that, I get a mesh or a graph that lays over the entire picture. Now, so when you open Golf Clash, this will show up, and if you're familiar with Android, you can kind of scroll up and tap on it, and it'll allow you to pick it. Now, you have to create, or you should create. There's already some made out there for you, but they have some colors and stuff, and it's a little distracting. So I like this light gray color because it works well on most screens, and probably all. It works very well over Golf Clash. Now, there are some other apps out there, but they do cost money. This one's free, and I will just walk you really quick through it. So the first thing you want to do is, this is the top left-hand side. As you click on it, it says it's a no overlay. So what I do is what you want to do rather is you want to take the standard grid on the top right hand, that hot pink or fuchsia color on the top right hand side, and those three little buttons on the corner. You want to clone it. Okay, so once you clone it, it'll create the exact same standard grid, which will look like, I'm going to open up this one, the one that I called Golf Clash. So this is editing overlay. I named it Golf Clash. That way I know that's the version that I'm going to use when I play Golf Clash, because I like the size of the squares and I like the color. So what you're looking there, that jargon there, I'm not a techie guy. I'm not a computer guy. This is just something that I kind of created playing around with it, but just to save you some time, all you've got to do is delete what's there and type in what you're seeing right there, right in front of your screen. Okay, name it Golf Clash, whatever game, it doesn't matter, but so you know which one to pick. Now, once you've done this, you're going to press the top right hand check mark, and you've got your Golf Clash that you've created. The next thing that I think is important for you to do is go into the top right hand side, up where it says Material Cue, all the way to the right. You're going to press that little 3-button menu, drop down menu, and you go to Settings. Okay, and in Settings, that gray color of the line color is where it says 4 down. It says default grid color. That's what you're going to want to press, and you're going to want to type in those colors if you like the light gray color. And like I said, I've played around with different ones. I different colors that I looked up online. This is the color that to me works best. So if you want to play around with it as well, you're welcome to. But if you want that light gray color, this is the code. Put it in, press OK, and you're done. That's it. You go to no overlay, press the Golf Clash, and you're set. Now, what does this do exactly? Well, I'll show you. When you play a game of Golf Clash, when you're about to shoot the ball, as you can imagine, the difference is when you're going to count rings. Let me just go here really quick to the beginner course, which I use just for tutorial purposes. You want to go ahead and turn the overlay on when you're going to play. Okay, this is taking a little longer than usual, but as you probably already know, and if you don't, and if there's some questions I can answer for you, by all means, please let me know on the video or post it on Facebook, and I'll do my best to answer it. Now, as you can see right now, I'm going to take a shot. This is a clear screen. What I do is I use my Golf Clash, right? And now I've got this mesh. So if you see the arrow, it's pointing exactly to the left 1.1. So I can put that whatever line, depending on where I have it, and I know that I'm lined up exactly to the center of that ball. Now, to the center of the bullseye rather. So I know that if I want to move it one, and I understand my what 1.1 is, I move it, and that's exactly where I'm going to want to drop the ball. Now, this is very basic. This is entry level. This is a beginner course also, so it's not giving you a lot of wind resistance. But you're going to realize that when you get into as the games progress, you're going to start to get into much stronger winds and adjusting for much higher numbers, which this will allow you to stay in line and just make your adjustments a lot easier. I'm going to pull out of here just really quick so I can finish this. But again, pause the video, get the numbers, and if you have any questions, please go to our Facebook page. You can either go to Sharks Tank GC, at Sharks Tanks GC, or at Gorilla Farm GC, and the videos will be posted there, and you can also reach out to me through those. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps, and good luck, guys.